Hey, how's it going? We're going to go over how to draw a Garfield. It's going to be step-by-step, easy, and for beginners. So let's hop right into this, okay? First thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to start with kind of the egg shape of one of Garfield's eyes. So you can do this slowly, and we can do it slowly together. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a slightly curved line. It's going to get more curved toward the top, right? It's going to come down, kind of like a U shape or a gravestone shape. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Very, very egg-like shape to one of his eyes. Around this point, we're going to have the nose over here. And by the way, don't forget, all this stuff, just kind of have fun with it. That's a really big thing. I want to start pushing that on my channel, is fun. All right. And sorry about that, the camera cut out. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the nose. Circle right there. And we're going to start with the other eye. So roughly the same shape, but it's like hidden behind there. It's kind of something to kind of think about. So go over here. Curve, kind of make it even enough, right? And then we're going to keep going along here. And by the way, this is a short one, by the way, so don't forget, to stick around to the very end. You're going to know how to do this by the end. Let's go over here way to the bottom, and we're going to pull a curved line right here for where his eyelid goes down. And over here where the eyelid goes down. Curve right there for the eye. And curve right here for the eye on this side. Line over here for the ear, beginning of the ear, the back of the ear. Start maybe right around the center. It could be right there in the center. We draw a curve down for one of his ears. Forgive me. It's kind of late at night over here. All right. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve down. Don't forget, by the way, to check out the cool free links in the description. It's really going to help you out. It's going to help you become a full artist all the way. And, there's a lot of free stuff, too. So go check all that stuff out in the description. All right, going to go over. Let's go over here. We're going to draw a line from here down to this area. Slightly curved, like so. Over here now, slightly curved down. Okay. We're going to draw the top of his mouth, so curve along here. Now the same thing on this end, so about mid, almost lower mid eye, curve. Going to go over here, go down for one of his, parts of his mouth, and then we're going to pull this line up, or you can start over here and pull it down. Let's draw a little U shape right there to kind of capture that. Go over here now. Curve up. That's good. And curve right here. And down. All right. We're almost done, by the way, believe it or not. So stick around with me. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pull a line down toward that. Start over here. We're going to draw the lower portion of his mouth, just something like that, like a check mark or something. I don't know, like a line down here for the neck. And now I'm going to start from here and draw a curved line here, like so. Okay, now we have the longest curve in the whole drawing. So we're going to start maybe around this point here, anywhere around here. Keep it leveled. And I'm going to have to draw a curve all the way from back there. So let's do it slowly, okay, together. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw like a C curve to that dot. And I like putting down, so over here is draw a curve. You can take a break if you want right there. Let's take a break. Doesn't have to be one. And then we're going to continue. And that can be slow. Turn the paper. Feel free to turn the paper. Right on. If you want, we could close it out, right? If you want, just to kind of make it like total shape. So let's draw the extras right here real fast. So put a dot right here, dot right here, dot right here. Let's draw 3 dots, dot, dot, dot. We're going to go and draw the, I don't know what these are, little kind of whisker things. 1, 2, 3 out that direction. 1, 2, 3 out that direction. And he has these designs almost like a tiger. So we're going to pull down, pull up, pull down. Doesn't matter how many you do. It could be 4, it could be 5. But just kind of draw it like that. Same thing over here. Pull down. And we're going to fill these in, keep in mind. And let's go up on that. We'll just do 4. And then we're going to fill these in, by the way. Remember to stick around. And by the way, hit the like button. If you're here to this point, hit the like button. It helps out the channel. It lets me know that you're here. It's like a good signal that you enjoyed it so far. But yeah, definitely hit the like. It helps the channel out immensely. And I'm going to try to put as many freebies as I can. You can always check out like I said, not just the links in the description. There's also just the general website, which is like the main link on the main image. I'm just filling this in right now. Sorry, almost. Okay. Just taking our time, chilling out, having a good time here. Cool. And then now we're going to have to do these. So right here, we're going to draw a curved line that kind of aligns with it. And this is the design, right? 1, 2, 3. It's going to be another one about here. Don't do it too long, too short. It doesn't really matter. Line, line, line. They just get smaller as they go inward. Over here now, line, line. Let's do 2 on that one. At the bottom, curve, curve, curve. Over here, curve, 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 curve. That one has 4 going in. I'm using the side of my marker. You can still use the point. It's not a big deal. And let me be careful on this one. I can't move my paper because, we're doing a demonstration here, but feel free to move your paper. Let's do 3. Sorry, 4. And let's do one more over here. Line, 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 line. And there you go. That is the great Garfield, the cat. That is Garfield's head. Let me know if you want to see a body. Like, literally tell me in the comments. Or just say hi in the comments if you got to this point, and I'll know that you got here. Okay? Let me know what you think. I hope to talk to you in the comments section. All right? Let's do it. Also, stick around for the next drawing lesson. We're going to draw another drawing lesson together. So let's do that. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.